back to Katie's Cool Creations, and today I am very excited because as you saw in my video, everything that I got for Christmas, I got a Slimy Gloop glow-in-the-dark slime kit, and that's what I'm going to be opening today. I asked you guys if you wanted to see me do it. I am very excited for this video, so before we get started with the video, if you are new here to my channel, be sure to go in the description box down below and click that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you do, that would be so awesome. So without further ado, let's get straight on with the video. So here is my Slimy Gloop glow-in-the-dark slime kit, and I'm just going to start opening the box. And now taking the bag out with everything in it and emptying out all the ingredients out of the bag, and here's everything that was in it. Now I am just looking at the instructions so I can figure out how to make the slime. Now just taking the little measuring cup, you want to fill it up with warm water. I forget the measurement, but I'm sorry about that. Now taking an extra reusable cup or any cup, you can pour that water in. Now taking a spoon and the activator powder, you can add exactly 1 spoonful of that into your warm water and just mix that up and until it completely dissolves. Now set that to the side for later, then pour 1 more thing of warm water into your another cup, and then take some glue and pour it into that thing as well, and then pour it into your cup. And then using the stick provided, you can scoop all the extra glue out. Now mixing the glue and water all together till you can't see water separated and glue separated. Now taking the green food coloring that came with the slime kit, you can mix that up and add more drops until you like the color of your mixture, and keep on mixing that. Now taking the activator from earlier, you can just add a couple drops into your slime mixture until you like the consistency of your slime, and just add that slowly and just mix it all together. And I'm just taking some of the slime off the bottom of the stick and putting it in another cup so I just don't activate the same piece of slime. And now adding more activator, and just repeat this process until you have some slime. And here is the finished green slime, and it's pretty clicky. It's okay with stretching, so yeah. And I didn't know how to add the sand to it. As you can tell, it breaks apart really easy, and I didn't think the sand would stay good in it too long. Now taking another cup and another thing of warm water, you can pour that into your cup. And now taking some more white glue, pour that into your measuring cup once again, and then pour that into your warm water once again. Taking your stick, you can mix all the ingredients together. Now taking some glow-in-the-dark paint, you can add a couple drops into your glue. It really does not matter how much you add, and just keep on mixing that. Now taking your activator from earlier, I didn't feel like making more since I already had some left, so I just started activating my slime until I like the consistency once again, and just keep on mixing. And here is the finished glow-in-the-dark slime, and unfortunately I tried so many times and it did not want to glow, but it is really fun to play with. Once again, it doesn't stretch too good, but otherwise I really like them both. So here they are.
So
So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope every one of you guys enjoyed it. I know I really had a fun time trying this out, and it did work, but the fact that I didn't know when to add in the sand or how, because these slimes kept falling apart, as you could tell in the video, and the glow-in-the-dark slime did not glow, but I still really enjoyed making these. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you on the next video, guys. Bye!